In this tutorial, let's see how to attach objects while motion tracking in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so we are in the edit tab, right click and open in Fusion page. So I will select the media in one, press shift and space and add a planner tracker. Add. Okay, so now I will see where I want to put my object. So I am basically adding a text. I will add my text over here. Okay, put the playhead on 60th frame. Okay, and I will draw a shape here. Okay, and I will change the tracker to hybrid point area and I will set the reference time 60. Okay, and I will track forward. Okay, so now I will come on the 60th frame again and I will track backwards. Tracking is done. Now you have to change the operation mode to corner pin. So now you are supposed to set this according to your object, whatever you're gonna put in this area. So I'm basically adding a text. Shift space, add text plus, write your text. Now connect the node. So I will increase the size of the text. This much is enough. Okay, so let's see. This is how you can attach any object while motion tracking in DaVinci Resolve, whether it is a text, PNG or a video. My name is Amir and I will see you in the next video.